For creating table, click on to master, select service, under that select table. Now click on to add and enter a table name. Select save option. The table is created successfully. For creating item group, click on to master, select bar, under that select item group. Now click on to add. You can add any item group here. For creating store item, click on to master, select bar, under that select store item. Now click on to add and enter the item code, item name, rate or case. Select the group, enter the ml or bottle. After entering the details, click on to save option. The store item is added successfully. For entering bar item, click on to master, select bar, under that select bar item. Now click add. Enter the item code, item name and rate. Also enter the store item name and its ml. Click on to save option. For entering supplier details, click on to master, select bar, under that select supplier. After entering details, click on to update. Supplier saved successfully. For making purchase entry, click on to entries, select bar, select purchase entry. Now enter the invoice number, supplier name, item name and case. Once you enter the item name and number of case, the amount automatically gets updated. Click on to save option. Bar purchase saved successfully. You can print this bill. For entering bar inward, click on to entries, select bar and then select bar inward. Enter the reference number, item and quantity. Click on to save option. Bar inward saved successfully. You can print this bill. Stock creation for bar and purchase inward entry has been done successfully. Thank you.